Wow. See? Those are seagulls. I made a mistake. There's no Donald Duck today. Seagulls all around. Look how they're flying. Nice. You hardly see them on the water like this. So nice, the reflection of the sun, but it's getting darker. Wow. Whole bunch of scavenger all around the world. We got those seagulls. How nice it is. Look, the beautiful whatever left for the sunset on the water, because the sun is already down, but we still can see those beauty. Yes, you can never see them swimming, but today they're special. They just swim. The seagulls are flying all around. And if you leave any food near you, they sure know how to grab it. Neat. Amazing. Look at the beautiful reflection. Whatever left some light further. And here, the beautiful, look at them. Here they are. Yes, I made a mistake. Those are not Donald Duck. Those are scavenger seagulls. Here they're coming closer to me. No food, buddies. You're not gonna eat me alive. You ever remember Hitchcock, the movie called Birds? I hope one day I'll catch a video with 1,000 birds. That will be something else. See, they go like Donald Duck, but they're seagulls. And I made a mistake, see? Here some they go flying, nice, nice, nice. They fly, holy, how nice, how nice, how nice, how nice, how nice. Look at that. Holy, they're all around. Wow, 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 lucky, patience is the virtue. Look at them. Wow. They are flying back and forth. But I think I had enough of those seagulls. Here, there's more bunch of coming, and we're gonna say bye-bye to them. See, I told you, those guy flyer, they don't sit on the water like Donald Duck. Only this guy. But this must be Donald Duck. My buddy came to say goodnight to me. Donald Duck, yeah, that's definitely Donald Duck. Donald Duck, take his last swim of the evening. No? Nice. Very nice. Wow. Nice, beautiful reflection of the water. You can hear them all around. A bunch of noisy guy. Anyhow, this is it for tonight. And look how beautiful the reservoir look. Oh, the mosquito is eating me. I better get out of here. Nice.